In this video, I'm going to reveal the best way to make $100 per day with the Target Affiliate Program. The Target Affiliate Program can be a good opportunity to make passive income with affiliate marketing as long as you do it the right way. Watch this entire video to learn how to get started today. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I'm going to help you. All right, so Target, of course, has an affiliate program. There is some good, there's some bad, and I'm going to show you how to make some money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to Google and type in Target Affiliate Program. As you can see here, I have done that a few times. And when I do, I go to this page, and as you can see with the affiliate program, you can make up to 8% commission. But there's a huge caveat to that, and I'm going to show you that. Another benefit is that there is a 7-day cookie window. When you compare that to Amazon, Amazon only has a 24-hour cookie window, so that is another benefit there. But if we take a look at the commission structure, which is going to be very important for the Target Affiliate Program, you see that there is a lot of exclusions. You can't promote half the store essentially. You can't do electronics or video games or toys, any of those things. And the reason being is there's really high margins for those things. And so they're not going to make any money if they give you money for promoting the products. But so this is what we can promote. We can promote apparel and accessories, home and outdoor living, baby gear and furniture, and health and beauty. What I recommend that you do is I recommend that you focus on baby gear and furniture because there's a lot of opportunity. It's an evergreen niche. People are always going to be searching for baby gear and furniture, and you can make content once and get paid for it for months and years down the line. There's a few ways to do that, and I'm going to show you how to do each one of those ways right now. The first and easiest way would be simply to create a YouTube channel. When you go over to YouTube, you're going to type in like best, let's say baby stroller 4. We'll say, or we could do best baby monitors 2021. We hit enter there. As you can see, the top result has 10,000 views from 4 months ago, and it's Gadget Guy. They only have 14,000 subscribers, so we know that there's opportunity. We could go up to best baby monitors. We hit enter here, hit 4 or type in 4. As you can see, these are all opportunities. Best baby monitors for twins, travel, multiple rooms. We pick any one of these, and all of these, we create content and we can start making money. This top result, 1.2 thousand views from 8 months ago. Most likely this is a channel where they're just running B-roll and they're not actually talking at all. So that's why you see that the reviews are pretty low. But if you look below, the second result, 3.2 thousand views, 6.7 thousand subscribers, there's opportunity here. And what you'd want to do is you just want to provide a link in the description to each one of the monitors that you find over on Target. So that's one way. Another thing that you could do is you could jump over to target.com and let's go over to baby. We'll go down to, let's say, strollers, for example, and we can create reviews on individual strollers. Now the pushback to this is going to be, well, don't you need the stroller in order to create a review? The answer is no. What you're going to do is you're simply going to you're going to highlight this and you're going to look at the different product reviews of the stroller. You are going to look at the specs and you're going to do a comparison. You're going to talk about the rating. As you can see, the stroller has 466,000 reviews. You can even create content around answering the question. So let's just close that. We'll go down the questions here, and you can create videos answering your questions about whatever, about the Safety First Smooth Ride travel system stroller. And what we can do, just to show you that there is opportunity here, we'll paste that in and hit enter. You can see the top result, 21,000 views, only 128 subscribers. It has 96% review, so people are actually talking about it, and it looks like, okay, it looked like they were in Target, but it looks like they're in their home, they're talking about the stroller. It's a good opportunity. It looks like this person here, they took a picture of it just to show, but you don't have to, A, you don't have to be on camera, B, you don't have to have the stroller. Just think about all of the different blogs and content that's out there. People don't actually have the product and they're still able to promote it. You can talk about the strengths and weaknesses in context to other top rated strollers, so there's some opportunity there. But you can do this with all of these products. All of these products are opportunity. If we go back over to categories here, we go to baby, you should be able to promote all of the categories, all the products within this category. And the great thing is you're going to build a community because you are focusing on one topic. So creating a YouTube channel about baby and strollers and all of the different furniture required for baby is a very good opportunity. And like I said, creating content for babies is evergreen because there are new kids essentially being born every day. Parents want to make sure that they have the best for their kids, most parents I should say, and it's only going to continue to grow, and new products are being added all the time. So you're going to constantly have new content to create or new opportunities to create content. So one way to do it is simply to create a YouTube channel where you're doing best strollers for, or best furniture for babies, best X for Y. Another thing that you can do is you can create blog posts. Now, blog posts are simply just written pieces of content around a topic. You could create a whole new blog or website focusing on baby stuff, and then you could link out to Target. Now, Target is a very interesting opportunity because Target provides something that Amazon doesn't. Target provides customers the opportunity to go order now and then pick up in store about an hour later, whereas for most people, that's not an option for Amazon. So it could be a little bit more appealing. And the other thing you could do is you could actually be an affiliate for both and add both links in the description and see which one works out best for you. But what I've done is I've searched in Ahrefs for baby stroller, and these are all of the results. All right, so the top result here we are going to ignore. What we're going to do is we're going to add in the word best, because we know that best is a buyer's keyword. And when we type in best baby strollers, we know that people are interested in learning more about a baby stroller. We can also change the keyword difficulty to 10 or less. That tells us it's relatively easy to start creating content. And then when we get results here, we can see there are some options, but then you can go through and you can do it for all of these different products over on Target. What we could even do too is we could take a look and see if people are searching for information for this safety first baby stroller. So we could go back over to Google here, paste that in. And as you can see, people are asking questions, and it looks like the keyword difficulty for this stroller system is not very difficult. It has 20 searches per month and a keyword difficulty score of 2. So you could create pretty good content and get in front of people that are interested in buying. And then you would just add your affiliate links to direct them over to Target. But there is some good opportunity here as long as you're promoting the right products. If you promote products like makeup, that's not going to be a very good opportunity for you. If you can't even do grocery or video games, anything like that, I recommend that you stay within the baby stroller niche. Anybody can do it, men, women, old, young. Just make sure, and as you can see, $159. Let's say someone buys at a 5% commission, $159.99 times 5% equals a commission of $7.99. But we know that when people buy stuff for their baby, they tend to go all out and spend a bunch of money. It'd be very easy to make a few sales. You would need about 11 sales, 12 sales to make $100 per day with just this one product, but you can have repeat customers that purchase multiple things for their baby. The other interesting thing too is you can make money off of wedding registries and baby registries, things of that nature, and that's not something that a lot of people are talking about. So if I jump back over to the Target affiliate program, go to Target affiliate program, go down to commission structure, you can make money off of the Target Red Card, so promoting the Target Red Card, wedding registries, baby registries, and college registries. So that could be another opportunity as well. Create must-have essentials for college and dorm rooms. And as you can see, that falls in the home and outdoor living category. And you could make anywhere between 5 and 8% commission. With baby furniture, you can make up to 5%, apparel and accessories up to 8% as well. So there is a number of opportunity in here as long as you stay within the niche. Don't try and promote electronics and video games and toys. That's going to yield you absolutely nowhere. But staying within these top 4, actually really these 3, you can make very good passive income. Now that you know how to promote the Target affiliate program, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link in the description, it'll take you to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click that first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to learn more today. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.